Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to turn off auto-download videos on WhatsApp step by step. If you're tired of videos automatically saving and filling up your phone's storage, this quick guide will help you fix that in just a minute. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main chat screen where you see your conversations listed. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three dots. Tap on those dots to open the menu. From there, select Settings. This is where you can adjust most of WhatsApp's preferences. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and find the option called Storage and Data. Go ahead and tap on it. This section controls how WhatsApp handles media files like photos, audio, and videos. Now, under the Media Auto Download section, you'll notice options for when using mobile data and when connected on Wi-Fi. These let you choose what gets automatically downloaded under different connections. Tap on when using mobile data first. You'll see checkboxes for photos, audio, videos, and documents. To stop videos from auto-downloading, simply uncheck the box next to videos. Once you've done that, tap OK to save the setting. Next, do the same thing for when connected on Wi-Fi. Tap on it, uncheck the box next to videos, and then tap OK again. This will ensure videos don't download automatically, no matter what type of connection you're on. That's it. You've successfully turned off auto-download for videos on WhatsApp. From now on, videos will only download when you choose to tap on them manually. This simple change can help you save storage space, reduce data usage, and keep your chats running smoothly. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick app tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.